Hello everyone. Here we discuss a big data. Some common questions arise when we are working on big data. What is big data? Where we find big data? Why we need big data? What is the impact of big data in future era? History of big data. First of all, we will start at the beginning of big data. The concept of big data initiated by 1993. That was the unofficial announcement. It was called the search engine. W3 catalog was the first tag labeled for this search engine. At that time, a big data war was started. After that, a lot of search engines introduced and compete W3 catalog, such as Yahoo, Webcrawler, MSN, ASK, and so on. But after that launched Google in 1998. The Google company was officially launched in 1998 by Larry Page to market Google search. That was the game changer. All of the search engine shut down just because of a Google free search engine. It was captured all around the market. Now, Google is the number one preference of the people side. And 2005, big data was labeled by Roger Mogles. So the reason of discuss of these search engine just because of that's the main source of collecting data. I will show you a very basic visualization of search engine war. Let's check out. W3 catalog for the first one, then this race was started. Here you see there is a big gap between Google search engine or other ones. If we talk about a ranking, number one is Google, second one is Yahoo, third one is AOL, fourth one is MSN. Now Google, what they do for their data? It was enter different market domains such as like they launch Google Earth, which is directly connected satellite. They launch Google Map, which is directly connected for each mobile GPS location tracking, or they help people to find destination or route. They launch healthcare, which is directly connected hospitalization, medication domain. They launch ML, means machine learning, which is directly connected to gain system and hardware knowledge or how to behave it for a user. They all are the amazing way to gather data for future work. Reporting dashboard is the most advanced way to figure out our problems. Check out these two dashboards, okay? Google is the world's most data-oriented company. It is a part of largest implementers of big data technologies. Map all the internet data, identify what most uses, more clicked, more interacted, what is most beneficial. These are the main data tasks for Google. Based on search services, its first product over time, Google creates a lot of other data products, Google Apps, Google Docs, Google Maps, YouTube, Translator, and so on. The business idea is there to provide a free data search service and in the turning collects clicks based on the interest of billions of users. Google applies big data technologies, identify what is the most relevant, displaying the best sponsored announcement which is paid by advertisers. How can Google handle large volume of data based on tera and petabytes? The answer is implementing computing tools and technologies equal to Hadoop and Bigquery. Google's NoSQL technology like following Google, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and many other data-driven companies emerge trying to repeat Google's success in the big data era. Mandatory courses before we know big data. I was divided into three parts. Most important, at least know. First one is fundamental programming, maths and stats, database. Most important section. Second one is object oriented programming, design and analysis of algorithm and data structures. It's a part of important. Third one is design pattern and cryptography. At least we know it. After learn big data, where they help or use it, they will use and help us in these fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networking, deep learning. But there is no end, maybe include more advanced courses in future. What is data? By definition or research say the quantities, characters or symbols on which operations are performed by a computer, which may be stored and transmitted in the form of electrical signals and recorded on a magnetic, optical or mechanical recording media is called data. What is big data? By definition, big data is a collection of data that is huge in volume. Bit 1 or 0, byte 8 bits, kilobytes, megabyte, gigabyte, tetrabytes, petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte. These all are the category of big data. What is an example of big data? Stock. The New York Stock Exchange is an example of big data that generate about 1 terabyte of new trade data per day. Second one, social media. The statistics shows that 500 plus terabyte of new data get ingest into the databases of a social media site Facebook every day. This data is mainly generated in the form of photo, video, uploads, messages, or comments, and etc. Third one is aircraft. A single jet engine can generate 10 plus terabyte of data in 30 minutes of flight time. With many thousands of flights per day, generation of data reach up to many petabytes. Types of big data. Following are the types of big data. Structured means stable, unstructured like video, image, file, and etc. Semi-structured means both like XML and log files. Which industrial areas identify for big data? Big data in education industry, customized and dynamic learning programs, reforming courses material and career predictions. Big data in healthcare industry, electronic health record of patients, Apple Health Kit, Care Kit, and Research Kit. Big data in government sector, cybersecurity, project tracking system, advanced audit system. Big data in media and entertainment, predicting the interest of audience, getting insights of customer reviews. Big data in weather patterns, forecasting, predicting, identifying natural disasters via satellite. Big data in transportation industry, route planning, traffic controlling via geo and GPS. Big data in banking sector, credit and debit card, risk mitigation, customer statistics, alteration, money laundering. Big data in marketing, digital marketing. Big data in business insights, one of the best big data application we can use or see in modern industries in generating business insights. Around 60% of the total data collected by various enterprises and social media websites is either unstructured or structured that didn't get analyzed by them. One of the company named Netflix is a big use of big data to understanding the user behavior like Uber, Kareem, Food Panda, Amazon, or so on. Big data in space sector. Information received from satellites orbiting the Earth. It is necessary to run complex simulations and consider various factors like weather, payload, orbit location or trajectory, etc. Big data meaning a data that is huge in size. Big data is a term used to describe a collection of data that is huge in size and yet growing exponentially with time. Big data analytics example includes stock exchange, social media sites, jet engines, and so on. Big data could be structured, unstructured, semi-structured. Volume, variety, velocity, and variability are few big data characteristics. Improve customer service, better operational efficiency, better decision making for few advantages of a big data.